All right, let's go ahead and use the avatar component provided by AntD. So avatar it's basically this little circle right here that you can use to identify users, for example. So it's very nice and very simple to use. So let's go ahead and add that to add some shape to our user interface. So it's very simple. So basically for every component, you can see that, for example, they have how to implement this. So right here, you can see that you can simply import avatar and then have, some props. So size, large, icon, and then user, right? So let's actually go ahead and add something like this, where we have the letter. So first letter of the first name and the first letter of the second name to an icon like this. Let's go back to VS Code. And inside of the columns, let's go ahead and add a new column and add a comma right there. The title for this will be empty. The key for this will be avatar. And now if you want to render custom components inside of your column, you need to use render. And then this render takes the text and then the actual student, right? And now we're going to return from this. So I'm just going to return the actual avatar. So let's go ahead and say avatar. And basically inside of this avatar, and first I need to import it. So simply say comma, or simply add comma, avatar. And if I scroll down right here, you can see that we have a couple of props. So let's go ahead and add a size. And I didn't mean to add that breakpoint right there. So the size for this will be large. And inside of this avatar, go ahead and add backticks and then $, and then curly brackets, and then simply say student dot and then first name dot and then char at and then 0 dot 2 and then uppercase. And then let's also do the same for the actual last name. So just let me grab this and then copy that, and this will be last name. If I save this and then go back to Chrome and open up my React app, and there we go. So you can see that we have this avatar right here. This is all for now. Next, let's add a loader component to our web app.